Imagine trying to walk blindfolded with your hands tied behind your back. Pretty impossible, right? That's exactly what robots would be like without sensors and actuators. They'd be completely helpless. These are the robot's eyes, ears, and muscles. So what are sensors? Think of them as a robot's superpowers for gathering information. Sensors detect changes in the environment and convert them into electrical signals that the robot's brain can understand. Without sensors, robots would be stumbling around in the dark. Let's say you have a line-following robot, one that can follow a black line on the floor. How does it see that line? It uses light sensors that work like robot sunglasses, detecting the difference between the dark line and the lighter surface around it. These sensors constantly tell the robot's processor, "Hey, the line is over here." Robots use different sensors depending on their job. Distance sensors work like bat sonar, bouncing sound waves to measure how far away objects are. Touch sensors tell the robot when it bumps into something. Color sensors identify different colors, useful for robots that sort objects. But sensing is only half the story. Once a robot knows what's happening, it needs to do something about it. That's where actuators come in, the robot's muscles. Actuators convert electrical energy into physical action. When the robot's processor decides what to do, it sends signals to actuators to make things happen. The most common actuators are motors. These make wheels spin so robots can move around, or they move robot arms to pick things up. Servo motors are special because they can move to exact positions. Imagine trying to thread a needle. You need that kind of precision. Here's where it gets really cool. Sensors and actuators work together in what engineers call a feedback loop. The robot senses something, its brain decides what to do, and then actuators carry out the action. Then the whole cycle starts over again. Think about a robot vacuum. Its distance sensors detect a wall getting closer. The processor thinks, "Uh-oh, wall ahead," and tells the wheel motors to turn away. The sensors keep checking, and the process continues. It's like the robot is constantly asking questions and adjusting its behavior. This teamwork is everywhere in your daily life. Automatic doors use motion sensors to detect you coming, then actuators open the doors. Smart thermostats use temperature sensors, then actuators adjust the heating. Your smartphone uses sensors to detect when you flip it sideways. The amazing thing is that this same basic principle, sense, think, act, powers everything from automatic doors to the incredible robots exploring Mars right now. Understanding how sensors and actuators work together? That's your first step toward becoming a robotics expert.